Hello students, welcome to SmartKidz tutorials. In this video we'll be solving the fourth problem, that is plotting the graph under exercise 4.3, and the problem that is given to us is 3 equal to 2x plus y. So once again we will draw the table first, x, y, and I'll assume values of x first. So that would be, I'll take 0, then I'll take 1, and I'll take 2 this time. Let's see what do we get for the corresponding values of y. So once again 3 points will be plotted. Unless otherwise instructed, you will always plot 3 points. So let's begin. When at x equal to 0, let's see what we get. 3 equal to 2x plus y. 3 equal to 2, instead of x we put 0 plus y, will give us 3 equal to 2 into 0 is 0 plus y. That means y is equal to 3. So when at x equal to 0, y, the value of y is 3. Then at x equal to 1, let's see what we get. 3 equal to 2x plus y. 3 into 2 into 1, substituting the value of x, plus y. 3 equal to 2 into 1 is 2 plus y. When 2 goes on the other side, it becomes negative. 3 minus 2 is 1. So we get y equal to 1. So that means when x is equal to 1, y is also equal to 1. Next would be at x equal to 2. Let's see what we get. 3 equal to 2x plus y. 3 equal to 2 into 2 plus y. 3 equal to 2 into 2 is 4 plus y. 4 when we take on the other side it become negative, so it will be 3 minus 4 equal to y. 3 minus 4 will give us y equal to negative 1. So when x is 2, y is negative 1. Now let us plot these points on a graph paper. So I've already drawn the graph, y-axis and x-axis over here. The scale remains the same. On x-axis we have 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, and on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. The top half y-axis is positive, bottom half y-axis is negative. On the right hand side x-axis is positive, whereas on the left hand side x-axis is negative with 0 as the origin. Let us plot the points. So it says when x is 0, y is 3. When x is 0, here y is 3, so that would be positive 3, so that will be here. Then when x is positive 1, y is positive 1. So when x is positive 1, y is positive 1, so it will be over here. And the final one is when x is 2, y is negative 1. So when x is 2, y is negative 1, so it will come here. And now we need to draw a line passing through these 3 points, something like this. So we have drawn a line that is passing through these 3 points. We mark this point, so this would be 0, 3, this would be 1, 1, and this is 2, minus 1. And we put down the equation of the line, which is 3 equal to 2x plus y. So we'll write it down over here, 3 equal to 2x plus y. Okay, and with that we finish plotting this graph, and we also finish question 1, which had 4 problems that we had to plot a graph. Okay, so if you've liked watching this video and the previous videos, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.